Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. We have about, 15 minutes and pre-market will begin. So right now it is still early as I'm doing the video. Hopefully, maybe I'll get this video out before pre-market. I think that would be important to get it out before pre-market. If you're watching this and I know some of you are going to work right now very early. I hope you have a good day at work, everyone. A good Friday. And so yesterday, guys, Sentinel One Incorporation, ticker symbol S, had the worst day of its life. The worst. It dropped really bad. You can't. Let me show you the chart. This chart doesn't do any good. Wait till we get the look at this right here. Right. I mean, this is the worst. This is the lowest it's ever traded in its lifetime of being a publicly traded company. All right, $13. It hasn't been this low at all. All right. And I think the lowest it ever reached before was 16, somewhere around there. So, and this fall is due to the earnings and the more of not so much the earnings, but the guidance going forward. But we'll get to that. And the point is, I'm not scared. I'm personally not scared. This is awesome. This is exciting, guys. This is amazing. You know. This is not, and for me, personally speaking, right? This is not a time to fear. This is, I mean, you can't get any better than this. This is a once in a lifetime chance, I'm guessing, because this is an amazing company, and I'll show you also financial details and so on. And to see it go, that now, if you don't know who Sentinel One is, it is a cybersecurity company, right? So they offer a bunch of software and integrations and so on to protect enterprises from various cybersecurities, malwares, and so on. And we'll get to, like I said, I'll get to the financials in a little bit. Now I'm jumping all over the place, but Daniel Loeb, he must have known. I don't know. I mean, can't be that lucky. 1 week ago, he sold Sentinel One. They sold it, gone. So the third point leader, Daniel Loeb, released his equity portfolio for the first quarter last week and sold out on Sentinel One. He knew something was going to happen, and the stock really did drop. The company has a $6 billion market cap, so this is not a small company. All right, let's look at the Q1 results for Sentinel One. They were mixed. Sentinel One, non-GAAP EPS of negative 15 cents, beats by 2 cents. Revenue was $133.4 million for the first quarter. That's a 70.4% positive increase year over year. So, that's amazing. Come on, that's 70% up year over year. But for analysts, they said that, we missed our estimates. We expected 3 million more, which is absolute stupidity because, come on, they went up 70%. But anyways, like I said, that's why it's not so much the earnings, but it was more of what the CEO said. Annualized recurring revenue increased 75% to 563 million. Total customer grew also by 43% to over 10,680. This is why I'm telling you, this is not a company that I personally fear. I'm finding this the opportunity of a lifetime. Some people overreacted and dumped big time, and now there's an opportunity for retail to get into an amazing company. All right, so we have a customer count that has grown by 43%. Annualized recurring revenue has grown 75%. Revenue has grown 70% year over year, right? But the company said that they see forward year 2024 revenue at about $590 to $600 million, right? They had guided before for 631, 640. So let's say they reach the now new revision of 600 million. That would be less of about 31 to 40 million dollars from what they had first said. And because of that specific reason, basically because of this last information that you see here, that stock took the biggest tank of its life. Moreover, Sentinel One, in a shareholder letter by CEO Tamer Weingarten and CFO, said the company would implement a workforce optimization plan, and they're basically going to cut the workforce, unfortunately fire some people. And they also said, despite many underlying business strengths, our Q1 top line growth did not meet our expectations, and right there, that was it. The market had already tanked the stock. Macroeconomic pressures continue to impact deal sizes, sales cycles, and pipeline conversion rates, While not entirely new, the impact from these factors was more pronounced in Q1. And that was it. That was basically it. It was this that the CEO said with the new revision in what they expect going forward, and the stock tank. But like I said, this is awesome. This is amazing.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
I wish all the great companies could tank really bad at some point. Now, the analysts are still bullish on the stock. They give it a low of $15. Like I said, right now it's trading at $13.32. Can't wait to see what it's going to open today. I hope it goes to 13 today. I hope it goes 30 cents more down. That would be amazing. But the low they give it is 15. The average is 18.3 and the high is 22. Right. One more thing I want to say, by the way, this is just a disclaimer, just to let people know, I do not have a position in Sentinel One as I am doing the video right now. All right. The revenue is perfect. All right. There's nothing wrong with the revenue growth, right? Since 2019, 2022, the revenue growth has been growing every single year. Insane growth, over 100% every single year, which is amazing, amazing, amazing growth. If we look at the operating income, though, that's a different story as that gets worse. And if we look at the total liabilities, it's at 600 million, and that's also has been increasing, which is not good. And if we look at the total debt, is not bad. It's at 26.9. That's actually really good. So that's the total debt. It's actually been decreasing. If we look at the cash and cash equivalents, which is pretty much the, let's say, the immediate amount, immediately if the company needed money, they have 623 million available. Massive decrease from 2021. Total current assets is at 914 million. And no, I'm sorry, the total assets are 2.2 billion. And what else can we see? The net income, negative 378 million. That's not good either, to be honest, because that's it's been getting worse every year, so massively worse. So yeah, there's some negatives. Obviously, in the financial data, it's not all perfect, to be honest, but the company shows one thing that can offset potentially, let's say, going forward in the future, those negatives, and that's that if they continue to have this massive revenue growth year over year, then I think the company should be in good hands. I like the fact that they have dropped so much, and so that's that. If you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. We are doing amazing this year, picking up great, amazing stocks and being able to sell them for amazing profits. And overall, just doing awesome. Last year, we finished about 88% accurate in all our picks. And so that's that. All right, guys, have a good trading day today and take care.